Is your 2019-2023 Toyota RAV4 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective way to regain full remote functionality. This video provides a step-by-step guide to changing the battery, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. The 2019-2023 Toyota RAV4 key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. For optimal performance and longevity, purchase quality brands like Panasonic or Energizer, as recommended by Toyota mechanics. You'll need very few tools for this task. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool is generally sufficient to open the fob casing. A non-conductive work surface is advisable to prevent static discharge. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the fob. First, locate the small notch or seam on the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool to open it. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch the casing. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus and negative minus orientation for correct replacement. Install the new battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it matches the original orientation. Snap the fob casing back together, ensuring it's securely closed to prevent any issues with functionality. After replacing the battery, test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the vehicle doesn't respond, you may need to resync the fob. Try cycling the ignition by inserting the key, if applicable, and turning it to the on position, then back off. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual for specific resyncing instructions or contact a Toyota dealership. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first check the battery orientation. The CR2032 battery must be inserted with the positive side facing up. Next, inspect for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Use a cotton swab to gently clean any buildup, which can prevent proper electrical connection. If cleaning doesn't help, the battery might be faulty. Replace it with a new CR2032 from Panasonic or Energizer for optimal performance. Finally, inspect for signs of moisture intrusion. Some 2022-2023 models had recalls due to seal failures causing water damage inside the fob. If problems continue after checking these issues, seek professional help to avoid damaging the fob or vehicle systems. Always double-check the battery polarity before closing the fob. Avoid using metal tools that could short-circuit the battery or damage the internal components. Consider replacing the battery every 2 to 3 years, even if the fob is still working, to prevent unexpected failures. If you are unsure of any step, it's better to get professional help. While DIY battery replacements remain common for 2019-2023 RAV4 models, newer vehicles are incorporating smartphone connectivity and digital keys, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Toyota is also exploring recyclable battery options and improving fob energy efficiency. However, for now, knowing how to replace your fob battery is a valuable skill.